Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how you can download an archive of your data from the X app step by step with the most up-to-date process. Whether you just want a backup of your information or you're curious to see what the platform has stored about your activity, it's a simple process once you know where to look. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to access, because the data download will only include information from the account you're currently logged into. Next, tap your profile icon. You'll usually find it in the top left or top right corner, depending on your device and app version. This will open a menu where you can access important settings and features. From there, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. This is where you can control your account preferences, privacy choices, security options, and of course, your data requests. Once you're inside the settings, choose your account. This section contains all account-related tools, including the option we're looking for today. Now, tap Download an archive of your data. Here, you might be asked to confirm your identity for security reasons. This could include entering your password, verifying your email, or confirming a code sent to your phone. This step is important to make sure only you can request your account data. After verifying, simply follow the on-screen instructions to request your data archive. The platform will prepare a complete file containing your account information, activity history, and any media you've shared. Depending on how much data you have, preparing this archive might take some time, sometimes hours, sometimes a couple of days. You'll receive a notification in the app when your download is ready. Once it's available, open the app again, go back to the same section, and you'll see the option to download the file directly onto your device. Keep in mind that this file may be large, so make sure you have enough storage space before downloading. And that's it, you've successfully requested and downloaded an archive of your data from X. This is a great way to keep a personal record of your online activity, or back up your account details for future reference.